When you think of school, what comes to mind? Teachers teaching? Children learning? Student athletes competing? Any number of wonderful thoughts come to mind. But what about the professionals behind the scenes that make all of this possible? Not only did these men and women take COVID-19 head-on over the summer so our children could return to school, but they also continue to make an impact on the learning experience every day with their professionalism and hard work. Today's Blue Pride Spotlight is on the Building, Grounds, and Maintenance team in the Homer Central School District. This has been a year unlike any other. People across the country have re-emphasized the need for sanitation and cleanliness. But this is nothing new for the Building, Grounds, and Maintenance team here in Homer. These men and women have held an incredibly high standard throughout the district and have kept school buildings safe and sanitary year in and year out for our students. But what happens when a once-in-a-lifetime pandemic shuts down the normalcy in our district that our students have come to expect? For the team in Homer, that's exactly when it's time to roll up their sleeves and get to work for our students. New disinfectant sprayers were implemented and used nightly to limit the spread of COVID-19 in our schools. In addition, the team uses building control systems to monitor air filtration, ensuring the filters are changed exactly when needed to keep our schools as safe as possible. The team was also responsible for putting up signs and directions throughout the building to aid in directing the flow of students in the hallways, something that has been instrumental in containing the spread of COVID-19 throughout the school year. Seem like a lot? This doesn't include their day-to-day operations. From the desks our students sit at, to the keys teachers use to lock their doors, to the field children play ball on, from battling the ice of winter to mowing the grass in spring, our Building, Grounds, and Maintenance team has had their hand in everything that makes the district as special as it is. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you for all you have done for our children throughout the COVID-19 pandemic, and thank you for all of your hard work in continuing to enable our students to enjoy the wonderful educational experience they have in Homer. If you would like to nominate someone for the Blue Pride Spotlight, please fill out our Blue Pride Spotlight nomination form at homercentral.org/Blue Pride Spotlight. Again, that's homercentral.org/Blue Pride Spotlight.